I fell in love with books when I was a little kid because really I found refuge in them. I was very lucky that I had access to books that a lot of kids didn't have. I really thought that me being able to discover my love of books was just a great thing that I wanted to share with other kids. That's why I decided to be a Storytime volunteer. I go to a daycare every week and I read stories to preschoolers, and they love it. Early childhood literacy, exposing children to literacy at that age is very important because it really does prepare them for life. I'm told that it's the highlight of their week, and you should see their faces when they really get into a book. If a kid knows how to read early, then he's got the whole world in his hands. My name is Luis. I give a couple hours of my time to these kids every week so that hopefully they can have the same opportunities I had, and that's how I live United.
It really is an issue, as you know, that we care an awful lot about. Back in the 60s, you know what we called it? We called it changing the system. Today, we call it advocacy. I'm a squeaky wheel. I talk to people all the time and try to make sure that people are paying attention and ultimately helping me bring about change. Education, healthcare, improving incomes, that is the cornerstone of being able to improve life in our communities. I see a payoff each and every day. When I look into the face of people, I see that lives ultimately are changed for the better. My name is Charmaine, and one of my greatest skills is making myself heard. That's how I live united.
I started giving money to the United Way because I wasn't as involved in the community as I wanted to be. When I was younger, I really did get involved. I had the time, I had the passion, and I volunteered a good bit.
Good morning.
But now I have a full-time job, and on top of that, I'm a full-time mom. So I started giving through the campaign at the office. But to be honest, I never really knew if it was really making a difference. But then one day, I was driving into work and I saw one of those vans, those mobile mammogram clinics, the ones that do the free screenings. And as I walked across the parking lot, I saw on the side of the van a United Way sign. And I remember thinking, that's how I'm helping. I'm Wendy, and I do still have the passion. And sometime down the road, I'm gonna get back to volunteering. But for now, I'm gonna feel really good about giving. That's how I live United.
Every day in this community, and in communities all across the country, people are creating opportunities for everyone by focusing on the building blocks of a good life: education, income, and health. And they're doing it on their own terms, bringing together their own unique strengths and skills to advance the common good. By reaching out a hand to one, they're influencing the condition of all. That's what it means to live united, working together, solving problems, bringing about lasting change. And you too can live united. You can volunteer. You can be a champion for issues that need solutions in your community. And you can invest in your community by giving to United Way. However you give, you can inspire hope and create opportunities for a better tomorrow. That's what it means to live united.